our morning breakfast. Arigato. Mikay? It's a beautiful morning here. It's our second day. Daddy, good morning day. Mag-breakfast na kami ni Daddy. Sana ganito lang ang weather, hindi siya pero maitim yung clouds. Good morning everyone. So this is our morning and ready na si Mami dahil mag-breakfast na kami ni Daddy. So kagising lang ni Daddy. Nauna ako dahil alam niyo na magpagwapa pa tayo. So mag-breakfast tayo doon tayo sa baba mag-breakfast everyone. So this is my morning and have a lovely day dahil today actually the weather hindi pa natin alam dahil parang it's not good daw ang weather today, parang uulan, I don't know, but mamasyal tayo somewhere here in Futomi. Have a good morning.